Today we're going to look at some household chemicals and liquids and to see whether they are acidic or alkaline. Now, I have got some household liquids. For instance, this one is the hand wash. That is the bicarbonate of soda that's used for baking. And I have got some vinegar, but it's white vinegar, and the bleach, clean the toilet with. And I have some chemicals, sodium hydroxide chemicals. And also I have got apple juice. And I'm going to check it out whether they are acidic or alkaline. Now what I use is this universal indicator paper. This paper has got a pH 1 to 14. So if you open it up, it got this paper, and then you have got this pH scale here. So you can see, if you match up, you dip the indicator paper into the solution and see the color. If you match it up, the most closest one and give you the pH number. Now we know for a neutral solution that pH would be 7. pH would be 7, so that one there. But if it's acidic, will be less than 7. If it is alkaline, will be greater than 7. Okay, I have got, this is white vinegar, and that is hand wash, and I have some water, milk, that's bleach, and this is apple juice, and that's tea, and this is the bicarbonate of soda. Right, I'm going to test the pH for each of those. First one, this is white vinegar. If you look at it, white vinegar, you see the color most likely is pH 5. Can you see that? pH 5. Okay, that's white vinegar. And the next one, we have water. See water? Can you see the color? Most likely, can you see? It's 7. It's 7. So water is 7. Then we have a look of next one. This is bleach. See the bleach? The color is mostly like pH 12. Okay, bleach, pH 12. And next one, let's see, soda, bicarbonate of soda. And that one looks like pH 9, yeah. Okay, that's pH 9. Right, let's look at the tea. See the color of tea? I think it's pH 7. The color is pH 7. Tea 7. And then let's look at apple juice. See the pH is pH 5. pH 4. Let's say pH 4. pH 4. Apple juice. And then we have hand wash. See the color? Hand wash mostly like is very close to pH 8. Hand wash, pH 8. And I also have got milk here. Milk. See the milk? pH 7. pH 7. That's milk. Last one, we have look at this sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, can you see the color? Very dark, very dark. pH 14. pH 14. Okay. Now we have this results table, and the pH we have tested have been recorded in this column, so we can look at them to decide whether they are acidic or alkaline. Let's see. Vinegar, pH 5. So anything less than 7, it is acid. So it is an acid. So it's acid. It's acidic. It's acid. And bleach greater than 7 is an alkaline. And hand wash is also greater than 7. It is alkaline, but it is a weak alkaline because it's very close to 7. And that one, soda, bicarbonate of soda, is also alkaline because pH is greater than 7. So that is again is a alkaline. Now tea, pH 7, so we say is neutral. Neutral. And water, pH 7, is again neutral. And apple juice is less than 7, so it's acid. Apple juice is very acidic. Sodium hydroxide, pH 14, is a strong alkaline. And milk, pH 7, neutral. So that's how you decide whether a solution is an acid or is an alkaline. And just now we have learned that we can decide whether a solution is acidic or alkaline using universal indicator paper. But we also can use self-made indicators. Now, red cabbage is a good indicator we can use. What you do is you buy a red cabbage, and what you do, you peel it like that, and then you just cut it into smaller pieces. Yeah, using a pair of scissors, you can just cut into smaller bits like that. Oops, come on. And then once you've done that, you're going to put them into a pot. You're going to boil them. So you're going to boil them, and you're going to make a solution. So that's, I boil the red cabbage and I made this solution. And that can be a very good indicator to test whether a solution is acidic or alkaline. Let's give a go. See, I have some test tubes and I have some droppers, and what I do is to use, say for instance, this one, white vinegar. So what I do is to add some white vinegar into this test tube, and then I have add some indicator. This is a red cabbage indicator. Add into it. You see the color? See, it turned red. So that's it. That means it's acidic. It's acid. If I have some sodium hydroxide solution, let's say here, sodium hydroxide solution. Add into the test tube, and then I'm adding a little bit red cabbage solution. Can you see the color? It's beautiful green. So if it's acidic, it's red. If it is alkaline, you see it's green. Say if I have water, have a bit water for instance, it's neutral. If I add a little bit water, this one is water. See, that's water. And then I'm going to add the red cabbage solution into it. You see, it remains its natural color. So you can see the color differences. So that's turn red. It's acidic, it's acid, turns that kind of yellowish green, and that's yellowish green, and that's alkaline, and that is neutral. Yeah, and I do that again. One more. Let's say this is soda, bicarbonate of soda, and add a bit soda solution. Soda, and then see what color would that be. You see, and that is again, see, if you look at the color of neutral ones, neutral color is this. You see, it's not the same, is it? That's a neutral color, and that's the soda, so it turned, the color changed. If it's acid, you see the red, and that's, if it's alkaline, it's changing color, blue. You see that? Dark blue. So that is the water. That's the natural color of red cabbage. That is the water neutral color. That's acidic color. That's alkaline, and that's again the alkaline color. You see, so that gives you a indication whether this solution is acidic or alkaline. Say, let's try one more. Let's try apple juice. This is apple juice. Apple juice got its own color. So let's see. Apple juice. And it is acidic. So my prediction would be turn red. See whether that turn red or not. You see? Turn red. See? So the apple juice, apple is acid. Yeah? It is acid. So that's how you test whether anything is acidic or alkaline. Okay? So that's beautiful colors. Show you again. Beautiful colors of different solutions. Alright, so that's using the red cabbage to make your indicator.